In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the toolbar in Outlook email, a common issue many users encounter. Let's dive right in and get your toolbar back in order so you can navigate Outlook with ease. First things first, we need to head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, find the sign in option and give it a click. This will bring you to the sign in page where you need to enter your login details. Take a moment to type in your email and password carefully. If you have any trouble signing in, double check your information to make sure everything is accurate. Once you've filled that in, go ahead and click Next to proceed. Now, you're in the Outlook dashboard. It's worth noting that the new version of Outlook has a more streamlined toolbar compared to its predecessor, which might seem a bit limited at first glance. This new layout means that accessing certain tools requires knowing how to navigate the ribbon effectively. As you look at your dashboard, direct your attention to the top left corner. Here, you'll see three selections: Home, View, and Help. These are your main points of reference. However, if you're searching for specific tools or wonder why certain options seem to be missing, your solution is in how you switch the ribbon view. Moving over to the top right corner of the screen, you'll spot a tiny drop-down menu. It might be easy to overlook due to its size, but it holds the key to switching between different ribbon views. Go ahead and click on this drop-down. You'll see an option to choose either a simplified ribbon, which might be enabled by default and can hide some options to declutter the interface, or a classic ribbon view. The classic ribbon will display a more comprehensive set of tools like you may be used to from the older versions of Outlook. Choosing the classic ribbon can make managing your emails a bit easier if you're more comfortable with the traditional layout, giving you access to a fuller set of functions right there at the top of your window. This choice is particularly useful if you're working on tasks that require a bit more than just the basic tools found in the simplified view. And there you have it. You should now be able to successfully troubleshoot and bring back any toolbars you felt were missing in Outlook. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it made navigating Outlook just a little bit easier for you. If you have any questions or run into any further issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.